Persuasion is everywhere. From advertisements to political speeches, social media posts to daily conversations. At its core, persuasion is the art of changing someone's attitude, belief, or behavior through communication. But mastering persuasion isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology and using it ethically. One powerful persuasion technique is the principle of reciprocity. People feel obligated to return favors. Offering genuine help or value often leads others to be more open to your ideas. Another technique is social proof. We tend to follow the actions of others, especially when we are uncertain. Showcasing testimonials, popularity, or common behaviors makes it easier to influence decisions. Scarcity is another psychological trigger. When something seems limited or exclusive, it becomes more desirable. Highlighting rarity or urgency can motivate action. The principle of authority is also crucial. People are more likely to be influenced by those they perceive as experts. Establishing credibility through knowledge, confidence, and presentation is key. Liking and similarity are strong persuasive tools. People are more easily influenced by those they like or feel similar to. Finding common ground and showing genuine warmth builds trust and rapport. Finally, consistency matters. Once people commit to something small, they are more likely to stay consistent with that behavior over time. Asking for small agreements first can pave the way for bigger changes. Using these psychological principles consciously can help you communicate better, build stronger relationships, and lead more effectively. But remember, persuasion should always be rooted in respect and honesty, not manipulation or deceit. Master the art of ethical persuasion and you will unlock a powerful tool for positive change. Subscribe to MindSpark TV for more insights into psychology and personal growth.